Oh, welcome back. We're Kara. Okay, big black kitty not helping. All right, we're gonna do some assembly today. Once again, I am working to build basically an aircraft I worked on. I wasn't on it when this happened, but I did actually get. Kara, you are not helping me. Oh, down you go. Okay, good. So, April 1989. The aircraft overflew, pinged, and brought to surface a Russian Charlie-class submarine. And that's what we're going to model as a diorama. So today we're going to do the assembly. Not much to the assembly. I'm going to have to figure out what to do with the windows because windows weren't supplied. I have a mess here. There we go. I have some plexi that I can probably cut to fit, or I could just use some clear plastic. I'll figure something out. It has me painting the windows silver. That includes these blister windows on the side, which are molded directly onto the frame. So these were actually windows in the airframe, blisters. So no glass. We're gonna work on getting that taken care of. So that's today. We're gonna start the assembly and speed the video up so you're not bored out of your skulls, and we're gonna get right to work. Be right back. Okay, so to fix the issue with the missing glass, what I did was I cut off some plastic from a blister pack, and since I'm going to paint it anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and glue it into place like so, and then I can trim off the excess, and that will make my windshields. So that's the plan. Stay tuned for more. And there we have a finished P-3 Orion assembly. Okay, so this kit has dropped in my estimation a bit due to some fit issues, missing window glass, and missing fuel pylons. There should be 2 wing pylons. These are optional on the aircraft. They were only used for extreme long distance missions, and they would go on the outboard of each wing. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. They're modeling it with only a single wing pylon. That's interesting. Normally you would have 2 wing pylons. Huh. 30R and 31R. Oh. So they're flying it with a single wing pylon. Okay, that was done. That's something different. So we'll go ahead and assemble that and add that on. And that will be the model kit complete. Now, the funny thing is, this comes with this really funky little thing. I don't know if you can see it here in the instructions. It's right there. It's a little wheeled platform with a Y piece, which is right here. And what it is it's to hold the plane up when it's on its wheels so that it doesn't tip backwards, because it's a tail heavy model kit. That doesn't exist in the real world, because of course the plane is center of gravity is right here, so it flies. So but not bad. I mean, it's got some fit issues. I would still give the kit probably an 8 out of 10. It's a nice kit. It's detailed nicely. It just needs a little, you need to work on it a little bit. Now, I'm going to clean the seams up a little bit with some sandpaper and my files. Make sure that everything is kind of smooth for painting. And next time we come back, we'll be doing the paint and decal work. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and as always, like and subscribe to my videos. And go ahead and like me on Facebook, and click that little alert bell icon so you know that when the next project's up, all that sort of stuff. So until next time, have a great day, and keep on building. I'll see you next time, all right? Later.